Websites that aren't just for the rich, but the super crazy rich. Hey, do you want to know where Richie Rich does his shopping and what kind of websites and apps he uses? Don't worry, guys. Today I'm here to tell you all these things. Welcome back, friends, to another video from Unlimited Money. Today we're back again with extremely interesting topics. Becoming a billionaire is no doubt the wish of a number of people, and the most fun part is imagining what kind of products they might be using. So today we have compiled a few websites and apps that are generally used by rich people. Just stick with the video and watch it till the end to know everything about it. And before that, make sure you please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon so you can watch more interesting videos like this one. Now, let's start with today's video. One of the ways in which we are distinct from wealthy individuals is the manner in which we use the internet. Yes, it does include each and every one of you. For instance, if a person is wealthy enough to own Tinder, they probably won't utilize it to find a partner. They're going to make use of something more sophisticated. The following is a list of websites and mobile applications that provide high-profile services that are used by millionaires and billionaires. Number 1, Rich Kids. This software promotes itself as the world's most exclusive social network and is very similar to Instagram in both appearance and functionality. The developers of this program have made it quite apparent from the beginning who their target audience is. People use it to post images. It's commonly used by rich kids. Number 2, Luxy. This is essentially the same as Tinder, just for wealthy people. In addition to having financial resources, there are 2 more prerequisites for using this app. First and foremost, you must possess attractive physical characteristics. It gives you the opportunity to create a free account that is visible to other users so that they may vote for you based on factors such as your appearance and your level of wealth. Yeah, there's 2 cross marks against me. If you want to utilize additional services that are featured on the app, you have to earn at least 50% of the vote in a period of 24 hours. You will only be able to talk with other wealthy individuals if you have a paid membership, but in order to do so, you will first need to have your income validated. Number 3, Quintessentially. Because it offers a wide variety of services, this website can make any want of yours come true. There's a catch though, and it's that they need to be magnificent. This website lives up to its name by giving you access to the most pricey and high-end solutions available for everything and everything you could possibly want under the sun. For example, on one occasion they stopped traffic on the whole Sydney Bridge so that a man could propose to his girlfriend as they were walking over it. They plainly exclude anybody who is not wealthy by requiring a membership fee, which may be seen as some kind of selection. Number 4, James Edition. This is an upscale retail establishment that operates only online. And when I say expensive, I mean it. Boats, planes, homes, all can be found on this online marketplace known as James Edition, which functions similarly to eBay, but it specializes in the sale of very pricey goods. Number 5, the Billionaire Shop. This website, much like James Edition, offers shopping possibilities targeted at millionaires and billionaires who are time poor yet have plenty of money to spend. The service list of the Billionaire Shop, another website specializing in premium goods, begins with helicopters. On their websites, their slogan is stated very clearly: money can't buy you happiness, but it can provide you a lifestyle filled with luxury watches, costly vehicles, and luxury real estate. This statement captures their philosophy on wealth rather well. Number 6, Hush Hush. In the event that the 2 websites described above were not sufficient, there's yet another website that has things with a very high combined value. It would seem that their boast is that they are an Amazon for millionaires, and it's accurate, judging by the quality of the things that they provide. There's a section on Hush Hush's website titled The Most Costly, and it now features products that are appropriate for the Valentine's Day holiday. In the words of Dr. Mark, the CEO and founder of the Hush & Hush firm, we design Hush & Hush for you, the most discriminating of customers. There are the people who read the labels, those individuals who are interested in learning more about the companies that are responsible for the things that you use. Science is the major component of each and every Hush & Hush product, and we believe it's something that you'll find to be both interesting and valuable. In point of fact, there's a science behind the brand. Our creator, Dr. Mark Ronaire, who is a European board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon, is committed to postponing and even reversing the process of aging. Discovering and establishing a new knowledge of how the body is and its cells age requires a significant amount of time and effort, more specifically 15 years or more. Our compositions are nothing short of exceptional, and our scientific research is well known. More than 169 active natural ingredients can be found throughout the Hush & Hush product portfolio. Each of these ingredients has been the subject of extensive scientific research and has been specially formulated to meet the requirements of a particular nutraceutical need and provide an anti-aging benefit. Number 7, Flyblade. When wealthy individuals find themselves in a bind, they don't call a cab, they charter a private jet, which is just the kind of service that Flyblade offers, fashionably luxurious. Take advantage of both intercity and intra-city travel, reducing the number of hours spent on the road to only a few minutes spent in the air. Whether you select a customized charter or a by-the-seat helicopter service, it's our goal to transport you to the location where your presence is required with the utmost efficiency and safety. Although the Blade emblem is painted in white on a number of jets and helicopters that are black in color, the firm does not own or operate the aircraft on which it is displayed. Aircraft are operated as air charters by third parties who both own and operate the aircraft in question. At a few of the company's heliport locations, Blade also manages luxury rooms located in buildings painted black. Through the use of the app, passengers are given the ability to reserve a seat on what gives the impression of being a regularly scheduled trip, but is, in reality, an air charter for a predetermined fee. In the past, travelers had to locate a charter, negotiate a price with the company, and then figure out how to divide the bill among themselves if they had any other passengers. The rich use Flyblade, while the rest of us stick to Uber. It enables individuals to schedule chartered flights in seconds, either for their own personal use or for crowdsourcing and the sale of tickets. In addition to that, they provide a lounge in which customers may relax before boarding their private aircraft and continue to do so until they've arrived at their destination. Now we've got VIP Black. This app offers discount coupons and other perks for luxury goods and services, as for establishments that are frequented by wealthy individuals. Do you need to make a reservation at the very last minute for a restaurant rated 7 stars? You won't need to worry about it thanks to this software. This app provides you with extra special experiences across all of its premium partners and services, such as gratis upgrades, surprise presents, welcome packages, unique prices, priority access, and other perks. The one and only catch is the price tag comes out to 79,900 Japanese yen, which would be the equivalent to about $580 US. So here we are, done with our video for today. Please let us know in the comment box which website you like the most from this list, and which website are you going to shop next to just make you look richer. Just kidding. Hey, make sure you share your experiences with us. And what is your common website where you normally do your shopping and other things? Hey, if you found our video interesting, please make sure you like it and share it with all your friends and family. We wouldn't be here without your support. We appreciate you so much, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can get more videos just like this one. All you gotta do is hit that bell icon and you will always get the latest notification of all of our latest channels. Make sure you subscribe and check out some of our other videos already up so you can see what we have specially selected just for you. We appreciate you spending part of your day watching videos with us, and we will meet you all soon with our next video. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.